Chappy of people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous day and amazing week. Today I'm so excited to be sharing this cute tag. It's actually tagged with the pocket. We got some beaded embellishments, so it looks like that. And then I made a little angel, beaded angel there. So super cute, super easy. This video is a part of a collaboration from the lovely Rachel from Rachel and Bella Craft. Rachel has organized this amazing Christmas collaboration. I will show you all the details on my laptop before we crack on with the tutorial. This is the flyer from the collaboration. It's been designed by the lovely Rachel. So as you can see, that's the hashtag, a crafter's Christmas hop. And the title is A Crafter Christmas Hop. Why is that? Because this collaboration, which it begins on the 1st of November 2025, so there are already 40 projects. It's being hosted by Rachel from Rachel and Bella Craft. And how it works. So each day you have two creators. The first creators makes the actual project, and then second creator actually decorate it and embellish and take inspiration from what's been done. So you get two projects a day. I have been partnered with Cara from Karen Brandon Creations. Cara's, all the links will be listed down below. Okay guys, so I put together the pages that I needed and print them off. So Cara's tags, so she made a larger tag and then of course a smaller tag and created this pocket, which is a very clever idea. But what I wanted to do before we actually made the tags, I want to try something that I haven't tried off camera. So if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But I've got this large sellotape. I want to make some dangles, right? But I want to make it more like a plasticky, so that I want it to be quite thick. I don't have a laminating machine. So I'm going to try, see if it works, to put the sellotape on top. I was only scared that it would create air bubbles, but it actually didn't. So perfect. I'm very, very happy with that. Okay. Right, I'm gonna chop them and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have kind of laminated them. You can still see the line, but I'm not really bothered. So now I got peace of mind in my head that they won't get damaged, because yeah, they're like plasticated. So I'm very, very happy with that. So what I've done, I had this scrap of my Christmas papers like hanging around on my desk. All my 3 digital papers collection, my 3 bundles at 3 for 2, which I will explain at the end of the video. So literally that was the last piece. And I don't want that to go in the bin because I finished my Christmas crafting very, very organized. And I've got my freebie advent calendar starting on the 1st of December, when every day from the 1st to the 25th you get a free printable. I do every year on my channel. So I nearly finished organizing that as well, and then I will start filming the videos in the next couple of days. So I want that front and back, and then we're going to put this on top and create a little pocket. So just gonna do it now. I'm not gonna measure anything, and I don't think Cara did measure anything, but I want the tag to be quite large, so it's going to be a very large tag. It's kind of like, yeah, could go into your journals, or you can just leave it in as a gift tag, a very large gift tag. So now that, what's the measurement? So that measure literally 4, 7. So I need, should we do 3? or 3, let's do 3 1/4. Let me see if, no, it's got to be a bit smaller. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, done. I love crafting when you don't have to measure anything. Okay. Yeah. So the only thing I measure, because I like my tag to be not symmetrical, but kind of, I want the two bits at the end to be measuring the same. So I'm just gonna measure. I work in centimeters because I'm Italian. I don't work in inches, but it's kind of like 3/4 of an inch. And then I just make the tag shape. And then this is literally 3/4 of an inch. Okay, and then we do exactly the same on this one. And then I chop it off. You won't see this bit anyway, so I'm not fussy about the pen marks. Okay, so that's the 2 tags, 1 layer on top. So what I think I'm going to do, yeah, I want the pocket to be this side here. So I'm going to put the double-sided tape. So let me just think. Here I'm using double-sided tape because with the glue, if you put too much glue, the glue will go everywhere and you lose quite a lot of paper, like space inside, if it makes sense. So with the double-sided tape, you know that it's literally the space that's going to get glued. You see, so the glue won't go any further than that line. And also the double-sided tape, it takes 2 minutes to glue to dry, so you don't have to wait for like wet adhesive to dry. So because I'm a quick crafter, I like speediness. Okay, so that's that. And then we position this on top. Again, I'm not measuring anything. Oh, I made a silly little mistake, silly me. I hope you guys can see it too. The pattern is on the other way around. Oh, well. It doesn't matter. Oh, silly me. Oh, silly me. Right, guys, make sure your bubbles are on the right way up. Oh dear. Yeah. Okay, so the pocket is done. So that's great. So what am I going to do? And I'm going to do this off camera because I don't want this video to be very long. If you're familiar with my channel, I like to make my little angel. I've got some wings. And I think I'm going to use my bell as a head. Or actually the body of it. And then I got these glass pearls. Yeah, I'm gonna have a little play and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so let me show you what I've done. I've created this little dangle thing. So it's literally like rings. So that's my little angel. I think it's super cute. And then it jingle. So it's super cute. So let me show you on Zoom. So that's the actual back. So it's like this. And then Santa. And I put a little tree there. And then the other Santa, like so. And I put a little hole there, because what I'm thinking I'm gonna do, I want to attach that there so it looks like this. So I'm going to punch a hole there. I'm hoping that that's the middle. And then I'm gonna use some of this. Oopsie daisy, I had this in my stash. They're like brads, but then they've got a little handle thing there. So I'm just going to put that through, push it through, and then I'm going to open it on the other side. Okay, so it looks like this. Oh, we could actually, let me try something. What about if we hang, right, okay, change of plan. I'm going to put this through first, he says. Okay, so open it back up. So that looks like a door. Okay. And then we hang, so we put another, let me get another ring, put this through there, like so, and then this one there. So it looks like it's hanged from there. Yeah, that's better. And actually, without measure anything, it's slightly, no, in fact, it's on the same, so the same length. What's going on in here? You need to stay like so, don't be cheeky. And that's my hangled, detangled little tag. And of course there is a pocket there. This is annoying me a lot. Why you not staying like I want you to? Perfect. You need to stay like this way around. Okay, are you going to play? Yeah, you're going to play. Okay, so yeah, I think it's better if it's hanged from that. It makes more sense, because otherwise it looks a bit random. So yeah, guys, that is it for today. Big thank you to Rachel and Bella Craft. I quite like it actually, because you can put quite a lot. If you put this on your journal, you can put, or you can use as a money wallet. You know, if you gift this to somebody, you can put some cash in there as well, or a gift card. Do you know what I mean? So you can do anything. What I would suggest, to cover this bit, I will probably do this first and then put another paper on top. But if you're not bothered about this showing, you can just leave it like that. So, but yeah, this is the, you know, the little tag with pocket. Super decorated it. Very quick and easy with some little gems or angles. Right. As you guys are aware, I have 3 Christmas bundles on my website. The first one is called Christmas Embellishments, and it's a collection of 76 pages. Loads of pages. You can see this is a little preview. You got some bubbles, some poinsettia, some tags, loads. As you can see here, it's tags, embellishment, gift boxes, and ephemera. The second bundle is called Nostalgic Noel, and it's got 80 pages. 80, yes guys, 80. As you can see, that little preview, you got some stamps, got some lovely Victorian Christmas, some more like nutcrackers, etc. And then the third bundle is called Merry and Bright, and it has 41 pages, and it's journal pages, embellishment, gift boxes, and ephemeras. Loads. Throughout the month of December, you can get your hands on these 3 bundles for the price of 2. So you put them in your basket, and then you get one on me. Just use the discount code that you can see on the screen. Just put that on the discount code section, and the cheap one, which is this one, is free. Right, guys, I'm going to go. Big thank you to Rachel and Bella Craft for inviting me again to be part of this amazing collaboration. If you click on the hashtag in the title, it will take you through all the videos that all the other collaborators have done from the 1st of November, and of course the few more that will be showcasing after me until the 30th of November. So it's a full month of Christmas inspiration. Guys, please go and support Bella's, Rachel and Bella Craft. I will put all the links down below, included Kara's video. So everything is listed in the info box. You see all the information about the collaboration, with including the Rachel and Bella papers. You will see Kara's tags and also all my videos. Don't forget, I have all my Christmas papers at 3 for 2, my 3 bundles. This is what we made in the beginning of the week. So yeah, everything is listed down below. Go and help yourself. The 3 for 2 on my Christmas papers will last until the 30th of November, so take that before the offer ends. I'm going to play with this. I think I'm going to make another one because I've got this left. So yeah, I'm going to go, guys. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.